Good morning, children. Welcome to Narayana Live Classes. Today we shall discuss key for assignment 3, which is based on the input from 2A reading, that is True Heights. So the creative writing discourse that is given to us is the diary entry. So as you all know, diary entry is a record of personal expression. So the things that cannot be revealed to others can be written through diary. Moreover, memories fade away, but memories when they are penned down on paper long last. So it gives an opportunity to go back into the past through diaries. You can analyze your behavior, you can contemplate your behavior. Then this also gives an opportunity self-criticism and self-appreciation as well. Okay, so this is the format for diary entry. It's a minor discourse that is given in paper 1 for 5 marks. So these are the elements in a diary. We write diary, then date, comma, day, salutation, which usually is dear diary, because we share our feelings with our diary, considering a diary to be a person, a friend. Then in the body of the diary, we should first express our mood. Okay, be the feeling of happiness, sadness, anxiety, fear, guilt, whatever is the mood. We begin the body of a diary by expressing our mood. Then we write in brief the incident that aroused this mood in us. Then future plans. So if the incident gave you a happy mood, so you plan that you give yourself such a feeling repeatedly. So that is your future plan. Like something good happened to me and I am happy today. So to give myself this feeling of happiness repeatedly, what would I plan for my future? Or if I made a mistake, I am guilty, then what future plan will I make for myself not to give myself such a feeling ever again in my life? Okay, so from this experience, from this incident, I make my future plan and I follow up. I give an assurance to myself that I would stick to what commitment I made to myself. Okay, then I conclude with good night and then your name or signature, as is your practice. So if you are guilty or in the sad mood, then you don't write good night, right? So now, when you write the discourse diary entry, for this minor discourse, you have 5 assessment indicators that you need to bear in mind while writing your diary entry. So 5 marks for 5 indicators. Okay. So the assignment that is given to you is that you have witnessed Michael Stone. You observed his nature, how calm he was despite his winning the game. So that was a sort of inspiration to you. You are inspired by seeing Michael Stone's nature. Okay, so this incident you are supposed to pen it down in the form of a diary entry. Okay, so have your own ideas and consider the format as well as the 5 assessment indicators that go with diary entry. Okay, the first assessment indicator, expressing personal reflection, thoughts and feelings. Okay, so through a diary, you express your personal reflection, you reflect onto your own action, you express your thoughts and feelings. So that forms the first assessment indicator. Your diary entry should have the expression of your thoughts and feelings. The second assessment indicator is using language appropriate to your mood. Okay, so the language should be appropriate to your mood. If you are happy, the choice of your words should show that you are happy. If you are sad, your vocabulary should show that you are sad. Okay. And then the third assessment indicator is a self-criticism and future plan. So if the incident made you feel bad or guilty, you criticize yourself. Whether other people know about this incident or not, you know for yourself whether you really made a mistake or did not make any mistake. So criticize yourself. Or if it is something good that you did, self-appraisal. So your diary should have self-criticism or self-appraisal accordingly. And then a future plan. Okay? And then the next assessment indicator is well-formed construction. Okay? Because we all know English is a structured language. Every sentence that you write in your diary entry should be structurally correct. And the last assessment indicator is coherence. However you write your diary, according to these elements, all together it is one piece of writing. So that sequence of the incident, sequence of these elements in the diary, that coherence is to be maintained. Because if your sentences are not interlinked, if they are not sequential and connected, it will not have that cohesion that is demanded of this discourse. Okay, so with this, we complete the discussion of diary entry. Thank you, children. Have a good day.